This is BTEC Engineering, Unit 7, Section B, Example B14 from the Section B Examples booklet on page 16. As usual, this is a video and not a lesson, so I won't be pausing for you to take notes. You will need to do that yourself. So, continuing. So, we're continuing as we've done in the last two examples to deal with the mid-ordinate rule, the trapezium rule and the Simpson's rule. So again, it's the same sort of steps as before. So we need to work out the strip width, which is equal to the time, which is 4 seconds, divided by the number of strips, which is 4. So our strip width is equal to 1. So if we're doing strips of rectangles, we're starting at 0 and going up in ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. But for the mid-ordinate rule, we need the midpoints. So the midpoints here are 0.5, 1.5, 2.5 and 3.5. So again, as usual, we need a new table, T and V. So our T values are 0.5, 1.5, 2.5 and 3.5. So we find ourselves using table mode. So table mode, press mode 7. And we get f of x equals, so the formula we're going for here is 15e to the 5x. As a reminder, to type in x, we press alpha close brackets. So 15 e to the power 5 alpha x equals. We're asked where we're starting. Well, this table starts at 0.5. So we press 0.5 equals. It ends at 3.5, so we press 3.5 equals. And the step is the strip width, so we press 1 equals. We get an exact table to copy up. So we've got 0.5. Then we're given answers to 5 decimal places to give our final answer to 4 decimal places. So 182.73741, 27120.63622. Actually, looking at this, we're not going to be able to do 5 decimal places, so we're going to use the whole number that we can. So 182.7374094, 27120.63622, 2.5 is 4025059.298, and the last one is 5973717666. So very, very large numbers. So mode 1 will take us back to calculation mode. So mode 1 for calculation mode, the mid-ordinate rule is equal to the strip width open bracket times the sum of the V. So in this case, strip width is just simply 1 times, and add all these numbers up. So 182.7374094 plus 27120.63622 plus 4025059.298 plus 5973717666, close brackets. So doing that, 1 open bracket, 182.7374094 plus 27120.63622 plus 4025059.298 plus 5973717666, close bracket, equals 601424128.7 as an estimate. And that's the mid-ordinate rule part. Moving on to the repeating rule, we need a new table because we're using the endpoints instead of the midpoints, and obviously a new formula. And when we use the table mode, we'll need a new start and end. So back to table mode, mode 7, re-enter the formula 15e to the 5x, alpha x. Starting, well this time we want the endpoint, so we want 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So our start is 0, our end is 4, and our step is 1. So we get our table, 0 gives us 15, 1 gives us 2226.197387, 2 gives us 330.396.9869, 3 gives us 490.35260.59, and 4 gives us 72774779331. Mode 1 for calculation mode, and then we need to use the trapezium rule formula. Which equals the strip width divided by 2. Open bracket, first V plus last V plus 2 times, open bracket, rest of the V. Close bracket, close bracket. So equals, strip width is 1, so 1 divided by 2, open bracket, first V is 15, plus last V is 727, 74, 7793, plus 2 times open bracket, the rest of the numbers, so 226.197387 plus 330396.9869 plus 4903520.59. Close bracket, close bracket. Stick it all into the calculator and see what we get. So 1 over 2, open bracket, 15 plus 727747791 plus 2, open bracket, 2226.197387 plus 330396 plus 0.9869 plus 4903520.59. Close bracket equals, we get 3688106857 as our trapezium rule estimate. Moving on to Simpson's rule. We don't need a new table. Simpson's rule uses the same table, just a different formula. So Simpson's rule is strip width divided by 3. Then first V plus last V plus 4 times the even V plus 2 times the rest of the odd V. Close bracket, close brackets. So, again, the even and the odd can relate to positions, so that's the first, second, so that's even, third, so that's odd, fourth, so that's even, fifth, so that's the last. First and the last, we don't count in the rest of the odd, they're already counted. So calculating strip width 1 divided by 3, open bracket, first V is 15, plus last is 727, 74, 7793, so the last V there, plus 4 times even V, so the 2 in the 4th position, so 2226.197387 plus 4903560.59 plus 2 times rest of the odds, well there's just this one, 330396.9869, close bracket, close bracket. Stick that all in the calculator to get our answer. So third, open bracket, 15 plus 727747793 plus 4 times open bracket 2226.197387 plus 4903560.59 plus 2 times open bracket 330396.9869 close bracket equals an estimate is 308846977. Excuse me. That's the answer to Simpson's rule. And then again we have to compare our answer to the answer we got when we integrated back in B7. So the one out of the 3 methods that's closest is the best method, next best is the next closest, the worst is the one that's furthest away. To get merit or distinction, you need to have a reasoned, well-written answer. Best of luck.